boys and girls. You're going to be retelling a story using the puzzle pieces to let us know what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Now, my puzzle pieces are all mixed up, so I need you to listen extra carefully so you can put them in the correct order. You listening ears on? Great. It was time for bed. Bobby had to get ready first. He brushed his teeth with his toothbrush and toothpaste. Then he changed into his pajamas. Before crawling into bed, Bobby got some books to read. Boys and girls, go ahead and use the puzzle pieces to retell the story, telling what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end. If you need to listen to the story again, you can replay this video. Take a picture of your puzzle pieces in order and send it to your teacher.